Hey, welcome back. So you're using Microsoft Edge. Great browser, honestly, but that default Bing search engine? Yeah, not for everyone. The good news is, switching to Google takes less than a minute, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's get into it. First things first, look up at the top right corner of your Edge browser and click those three little dots. That's your settings menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. Once you're in Settings, look for Privacy, Search, and Services on the left side. Click on that. And you'll see a section called Search and Connected Experiences. Click on it. Now you'll see an option called Address Bar and Search. Click that. Right here, you've got a drop-down menu that says Search Engine Used in the address bar. Just open that drop-down and select Google. And honestly, if you prefer something else, Bing, DuckDuckGo, whatever, you can pick that here too. Now, what if the search engine you want isn't in that list? No problem. Edge lets you add it manually. In the below you see search engines, click on it. You'll see a list of search engines Edge already knows about. If yours isn't there, here's what you do. Open a new tab, go to the website of the search engine you want to add, and just search for anything there. For example, I want to add Brave Search, so I head over to Brave Search Engine. Now go back to that search engine's page, and like magic, it should appear in the list. If it doesn't show up automatically, no worries. Just click Add Search Engine. Now in the URL field, you're going to type the search engine's web address, and here's the important part. At the very end of that URL, add the word search, then a question mark, then the letter Q, then an equals sign, then a percentage sign, and finally the letter S. It sounds like a lot. That's what tells Edge where to drop your search query every time you type something. Next, in the shortcut field, type, and in the name field, just type Brave. Then go ahead and hit Add. Now you'll see it appear in your search engine's list. Click the three dots right next to it and select Make Default. And just like that, go up to the address bar, type anything, hit Enter. And there it is. Your results are now coming straight from your new search engine. Exactly how you want it. Personally, I'm a Google person, so let me switch mine back to Google real quick. You can do it right from the search engine's page, or you can go back and do it from the address bar and search dropdown, whichever feels easier for you. Now if I type anything in the address bar and hit Enter, boom, Google search results. Exactly what we wanted. Alright, bonus tip. If you want Google to be your homepage too, here's how. Go back to Settings and this time click on Start, Home, and New Tab Page. Under the On Startup section, select Open Custom Sites. Then click on Add Site. Copy the Google URL, paste it right in there, and hit Add. Now scroll down a little to the Home button section, click Set Custom Page, and paste that Google URL in there as well. And that's it. Now every time you hit that little Home button, right back to Google. Clean and simple. Now every time you open Edge, it launches straight to Google. And that's everything for today. Now your Edge browser looks and feels exactly the way you want it. If you found this helpful, I've got more videos you're going to love. Check out the best features of Microsoft Edge on the right. Or, if you're into screen recording, the video on the left is for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.